morning, everyone. So, very good morning, everyone. Please, those who are present. So, today we are going to start exercise 3A. Those who are going through the classes, please type yes so that I can continue with the class. Good morning, Shreyas. Good morning, Bristi. Okay, let's see question number exercise 3A. Use prime factorization method. Find. Good morning, Lucky. Use prime factorization method. Page number 41. Exercise 3A, question number 1. Find which of the following numbers are not perfect squares. So question number 1. We have to check whether 400 is a perfect square number or not. Okay. So we have to go with the method of prime factorization. In the table of 2, 200 times. In the table of 2, 200 will be seen 100 times. In the table of 2, it will be seen 50 times. In the table of 2, 25 times. In the table of 5, 5 times. So I have found out, is the board clear, everyone? Therefore, 400 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Can you see all the factors? All the factors have formed a pairs. Okay, here this 2 has formed a pair. This 2 has formed pair and this 2 5s have formed a pair. So we will write, since the factors can be put into pairs, therefore 400 is a perfect square number. That means what you are going to do, first you have to find the prime factors of the number given. जो भी number दिया हुआ है उसका prime factors ढूंढना है. उसके बाद देखना है कि factors pairs बनाते हैं या नहीं बनाते. यहाँ पे 400 के factors 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 5 into 5. ये एक pair बना लिया, ये एक pair बना लिया और 5 भी pair बना लिया. So all the factors have formed pairs. Therefore 400 is a perfect square number. Clear? Lucky, you check your connection, network connection. Everyone can see the board clearly. Even I can see my board properly here on the screen. Is it clear, everyone? Let's see number 2 then. What is the next question? 768. Then number 7, number 2, 768. Let us see 768. Since 768 is an even number, it can be put into pair. In the table of 2, 7 cannot be seen, so just a number just less than 7 is 6. It appears 3 times, 1 remains. 1, 6, 16. 16 comes 8 times, then 4. Sorry, 8, 8 comes 4 times. Again, it is an even number, so it will be seen in the table of 2. 2, 1 times 2 remains 1. 1, 8, 18. 9 times. And what remains? 4. 2 times. Then it is again an even number, so it will be seen in the table of 2. 1 won't be there. 1, 9, 19. 9 2 times 18 remains 1. 1 2 12. 6 times. Again in the table of 2. 4 9. 4 8. 48 times. In the table of 2. 24 times. In the table of 2. 12 times. In the table of 2. 6 times. In the table of 2. 3 times. Clear? These are the factors of 768. Therefore, what can I write? Therefore, 768 is equal to 2 into 2. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 into 2 into 2. Again 2 into 2. Again 2 into 2. Again 3. You can see this 2 2 forms a pair. Again this 2 forms a pair. This 2 forms a pair. This 2 forms a pair. And 3 is left alone. You can see 3 जो है वो अकेला बच जा रहा है, वो पेयर नहीं बना रहा है. तुम्हारे लोग कैसा आया सर 3 into असे तो पेयर बनवाना है. Okay, since the factor, what the reason will be, since the factor cannot be put into pairs, therefore 780 is not a perfect square number. Clear everyone? Any doubt? Shreyansh, Habib, Drishti, Lucky, Purvi, are you there? Who is this PP Gaming first? Type your name please. Good morning. Okay, then let's see number 3. Again 1296 is an even number, so it will be seen in the table of 2. In the table of 2, 1 won't appear, so 1 to 12 taken together 6 times. 9, just number less than 9 is 8, 4 times. Remains 1, 1 6 16. How many times? It will be 8 times. In the table of 2 again, since it is an even number, 2 3 times 6, 2 2 times 4, 2 4 times 8. Again in the table of 2, 2 1 times 2 remain 1, 1 2 12, 6 times 2, 2 times 4, 2 81 times, 3 27 times, 3 9 times, 3 3 times. I got all the factors of 1296. Therefore 1296 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now let us see whether they form a pair or not. देख लेते हैं pairs बनाते हैं या नहीं बनाते हैं. So here you can see this 2 forms a pair, this 2 forms a pair, this 3 form a pair, this 3 again form a pair. Okay, therefore it will be written as since factors of 1296 can be put into pairs. Therefore, 1296 is a perfect square number. Is it clear, everyone? So number 4 and number 5 you will try by yourself, okay? So let's move to question number 2. Find the smallest number. Find the smallest number by which each of the given numbers must be multiplied so as to so that the product is a perfect square. Did you all got the get the question? क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रहा है आपको? सबसे छोटा नंबर ढूंढना है जिसको द गिवन नंबर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सपोज मैं एग्जांपल ले रहा हूं यहाँ पे 512 का, द नंबर 1 ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. सो आपको 512 के साथ एक ऐसा छोटा नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करना है सो दैट 512. ओके दिशांता, गुड मॉर्निंग. क्वेश्चन टू बुझा. 512 के साथ एक ऐसा छोटा नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करना है सो दैट इट बिकम्स अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर. ओके, क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग यू टू फाइंड द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर which when multiplied by 512 makes 512 a perfect square number. Is it clear, everyone? Question is clear, everyone? These two are important question number 2 and 3. Okay, if you have any doubt you can ask me. Shreyansh and all there, Bristi, Lucky, Chavi, Charu and all. So let's see. Number 1 is 512. So to find the smallest number, we will first find the factors of 512. अब आम्ही फैक्टर्स विचारिलं जस्ट लाइक क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. जैसे हम लोग क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में फैक्टर्स ढूंढ रहे थे वैसे ही यहाँ पे भी हम लोग फैक्टर्स ढूंढ लेंगे. In the table of 2, 5 won't come directly, so 2 times 4 remains 1. 1 1 11. 5 times 10 remains 1. Okay, then 1 to 12 6 times. I think all of you know the calculation orally. Okay, then in the table of 2, 2 1 times 2 remains nothing. 5 2 times 4 remains 1. 1 6 16. 8 times. In the table of 2, 6 times 4 times. In the table of 2, 3 times 2 times. In the table of 2, 1 6 16. In the table of 2, 8 times. In the table of 2, 4 times. In the table of 2, 2 times. So now we have all the factors of 512. हमारे पास अभी 512 के सारे factors हैं. Okay, therefore 512 is equal to 2 into 2 into how many times? 1 2 3 4. It will be 9 times. We know 2 to the power 9 is equal to 512. So 1 2 3 4 4 5 6 7 8 9. So you can see here this 2 forms a pair. Again this 2 are making a pair. These two 2's are making a pair, and again these two 2's are making a pair. But one 2 is left at the end. Eta 2 last or okole thaki goise. If there were one more 2 here, suppose आरो এটা 2 থাকিলে হেতেন ইয়াত তো a2 কি বনালে হয় pair banale hoy, but there is no 2 okay, can you see one more 2 there? No, but jodi তোমালোকে 2 multiply kori দিয়া, suppose তোমালোকে নিজে এটা 2 multiply kori দিলা ইয়াৰ, যেনেকে মই কৰি দেখুৱাই আছো লিখি, okay, then this two 2's will again form a pair and this number will be doubled, okay, and will become a perfect square number. समझ में आया सबको? यहाँ पे हमारे पास 2 कितने बार है? 9 बार है. We have to multiply it repeatedly 9 times. But if I increase one 2 there, if I multiply one more 2 there, all the two 2's will be in pairs and hence the number will be a perfect square number. Clear? यहाँ पे 2 9 बार है. एक बार अगर मैं और खुद से मल्टीप्लाई कर देता हूं तो वो नंबर क्या हो जाएगा? सारे के सारे पेयर्स में, फैक्टर्स सारे पेयर में बन जाएंगे और नंबर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. तो सबसे छोटा नंबर हम लोग को क्या मल्टीप्लाई करना है? 2. द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर दैट नीड टू बी मल्टीप्लाइड इज 2. इज इट क्लियर एवरीवन? श्रेयांश, बृष्टि, पूर्वी, छवि, लकी, दशांत, देन चारू. Okay, so the list number you don't have to write like this. You can see there this 2 is left alone. A 2 2 okole ase, so yar logo that 2 moi multiply kori dem and it will be a perfect square number. So the list number to be multiplied is 2. Clear everyone? Let's see number 2. Number 2 is 700. Yes, बृष्टि, हम लोग को खुद से ऐड करना पड़ेगा. आपको शो करने का जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है ना? जस्ट आपको बताना था कि सबसे छोटा नंबर क्या मल्टीप्लाई करेगा. तो वहां पे जब आप 2 मल्टीप्लाई कर देगा तो सारे के सारे फैक्टर्स क्या हो जाएंगे? पेयर में बदल जाएंगे. तो सबसे छोटा नंबर कौन सा मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ा हम लोग को? क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में 2. क्लियर छवि? ओके, लेट्स सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 ध्यान से देखना, ज्यादा क्लियर होगा, ठीक है? एवरीवन सी इट प्रॉपर्ली. So now 700 is an even number and we all know even number is seen in the table of 2. So in the table of 2, 700 appears 350 times. Again it is an even number, so it will be seen in the table of 175. Okay, now 175. Let us see whether it will go with 3. 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 won't be seen in the table of 3. So 175 won't be there in the table of 3. So 5, 5 3 times 15 remains 2. 2 5 25, 5 5 times. Then again in the table of 5, 7 times. So you can see therefore factors of 700 is 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 7. Here you can see this two twos form a pair. So these two twos form a pair. 7 is left alone. So what is the smallest number to be multiplied? Comment everyone. Comment answers everyone. Yes, correct. Yes, correct everyone. Correct. Correct. Yes. So all of you are clear. So here 7 doesn't form a pair. Okay. So the list number to be multiplied is 7. So I will write the list number okay, everyone is correct. So you will try number 2, 3 and 4 by yourself. Okay. In the notes, I will be providing you the solution also. Let's see question number 3. Find the smallest number by which each of the given numbers should be divided. যেনেকে ইয়া তোমালোকক কৈছে কি মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰিবা ঠিক তেনেকে নেক্সট কোৱেশ্চনত কি কৈ আছে কি ডিভাইড কৰিবা okay so here same suppose I want to know what is the list number by which 700 should be divided so 700 কোনে পেয়ার বনোৱা নাই 7 এ পেয়ার বনোৱা নাই so the list number to be divided is 7 only 7 to আঁতৰাই দিব লাগে okay 7 যদি নাইকিয়া হৈ যায় factors বিলাক pair form কৰিব so the list number to be divided is 7 is it clear in the same way the factor which won't form a pair with that only we have to divide the number जो factor pair बनाएगा नहीं हेतु पर যদি আমি number of divide কৰি দিও তেতিয়া আমি answer to পাই যাম same as number 2 is it clear everyone let's see then I will be doing number 3 and number 4. Yeah. 6, 9, 1, 2. In the table of 2, 6 appears 3 times, 9 won't be there. So 4 times 8 remains 1, 1, 1, 11, 5 times 10 remains 1, 1, 2, 12, 6 times. Again in the table of 2, 2, 1 times 2, 1 remain 1, 4, 14, 7 times 2, 2 times 4, 1 remain 1, 6, 16, 8 times. Again in the table of 2, 8 times 16 remains 1, 1, 2, 12, 6 times, 2, 8 times 4. Again an even number in the table of 2, 4 times, 3 times, 2 times. Okay, again in the table of 2, 2, 2 times 4, 2, 1 times 2 remains 1, 1, 2, 12, 6 times. Again in the table of 2, 2, 1 times 2. Now everyone see it here properly. Here 2 appears 1 time. So the next number is 1. 1 or table 2 table to 1 nahe jodi 1 time nahe 0 times loboi lagibo don't write it 1 6 16 it will be wrong because 16 into 2 is 32 16 into 2 korile ki paba 32 তো ইয়াত যদি তুমি 16 লিখি দিয়া logically এটো wrong হৈ যাব হয় না নহয় so if 1 doesn't appear one time also you have to take what 0 times then 1 6 16 8 times usually students make mistakes here so try to remember it. In the table of 2, 54 times. In the table of 2, 27 times. In the table of 3, 9 times. In the table of 3, 3 times. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 twos and 3 threes. Okay, we will be writing it like this. Therefore, 6, 9, 1, 2 is equal to 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 into 3. So you can see what number is left at the end. The factor that is left alone at the end is 3. So আমি কিহেৰে divide কৰিব লাগিব? Comment your answers everyone. Yes, correct. The list number by which 6912 should be divided Yes, Brishti correct. Shreyansh, you are correct. Lucky, you are correct. Others from the school? Yes, correct. Yes, Charu, correct. Yes, correct. Dushanto? Yes, Nivedita, you are correct. So let's see the next number. 19200. So 19200 is again an even number. So in the table of 2, 1 won't be there. So 1919. 9 times 18 remains 1. 1 to 12, 6 times and 20 times 0, 20 times 0. Again in the table of 2, 9 won't be seen. So 4 times 8 remains 1. 1 6 16. 8 times 20 times 0, 20 times 0. Again in the table of 2, 2 4 double 0. Again in the table of 2, 1 2 double 0. Again in the table of 2, 6 double 0. Again in the table of 2, 3 double 0. Again in the table of 2, 150. Okay. Again in the table of 2, 75. Now 7 plus 5 is 12. So it will be seen in the table of 3. Before checking for 3, don't go for 5. Okay. That will be not that very proper. Okay. So you have to go with 2. If it doesn't appear in the table of 2, you have to see for 3. If it don't appear in the table of 3, you have to move for 5, then 7, then 11 and so on. Okay. Go in increasing way. Don't take randomly any prime number. 19200 will be seen in the table of 5 also, but I didn't do with 5. I started with 2 only. You have to go in increasing order to make the factorization in proper. Okay, that won't be wrong, but accordingly we have to, like, properly we have to do. So we have to go with 2, then 3, then 5 and so on. So in the table of 3, 25 times 25 will be seen only in the table of 5. So 5 times. Now factors will be 1 2 3. 8 times 2's we have 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 3, 5 into 5. You can see this 2 forms a pair, this 2 forms a pair. Again here this 2 forms a pair, this 2 forms a pair, and this 2 fives form a pair. So what is the list number by which 19200 should be divided? Comment everyone. Yes, correct. Yes, correct. Shreyansh, are you there? Purvi? Yes, correct. Jai. Nainmani, I think you have joined the class very late. Okay, then let's see question number 4. That will be the last for today. Answer true or false. The number of digits in the square number are always even. Is it necessary that a square number should have always even number of digits? Yes, Nivedita, you are correct. So question number 4 or number 1 की कैसे तुम्हारे को if a number has the sorry a square number has should always have even number of digits. If it is so 144 की है 144 is a perfect square number. हाँ ना है it is the square of what 12 112 square করিলে আমি 144 পাম. It is a 3 digit number. So if a square digit number has only even number of digit 144 तो कभी भी perfect square नहीं होगा. अगर ऐसा होता कि अगर एक perfect square number में सिर्फ even number of digit होगा जैसे कि 25 हो गया 36 हो गया ये सब 2 digit number है और perfect square भी है 2 digit number perfect square. Similarly it is a 3 digit number and perfect square. So there is no binding about the number of digits. 3 डिजिट भी हो सकता है ऑड डिजिट्स भी हो सकता है इवन डिजिट्स भी हो सकता है. Okay, there is no such binding, so the given statement is false. Are you clear everyone why it is false? And a perfect square number can have even number of digits. At the same time it can have odd number of digits too. I gave you example 25 2 digits are there even 144 3 digits are there odd, so there is no such binding, so it is false. So number 1 is false. Then comes number 2. Region liquid. Note. The square of a prime number is prime. Is it so? If I want to find a, it is also false. Why? You can see 3 is a prime number. If I want to find the square of 3, it is 9. 9 is not a prime number. So again, if you have one more example, 2 is a prime number. Square of 2 is 4, which is not a prime number. Clear? So this is the reason why it is false. Then no square number is negative. Yes, Purvi, you are correct. Dushanto, correct. No square number is negative. আমি যদি এটা নম্বৰৰ স্কয়াৰ কৰো তেতিয়া সদায় কি আহে পাৱাৰ ইভেন হলে পজিটিভ হৈ যায়. Is it or not? If the power is even, the number becomes positive. So there is no chance that a square of any number will be negative. Okay, it can be either 0 or always positive. So it is true. Is it clear everyone? Then the difference of the two square numbers is a square number. The difference between two square numbers, suppose you can see on the board 36 is a square number and 25 is a square number. So when you find the difference, 36 is a square number and 25 is a square number. When you find the difference, you got 11. 11 is not a perfect square number. So it is false. It's not necessary the difference will be always a perfect square. So it will be number 4's note. This is the note for number 4. It is false. 4000 is a square number. Yes, correct, Shreyans. In question number 5, it is given 4000 is a square number. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there. So I told you about the rule. A square number should have even number of zeros at the end. But here you can see 3 zeros. Hence it is false. Note will be number of zeros at the end is odd. Since the number of zeros at the end is odd, 3 zeros are there. Hence it will be false. Clear everyone? So tomorrow see you on the same time. Okay. Bye. So we are at the very crucial time. So it's your duty to join the class on the proper time and see the whole lectures. I can see the average watch time of my videos are 9 minutes or 10 minutes. So many of you are not watching it properly. Okay. So it's your duty. I'm doing my duty since I'm restricted not to come to school and have my coaching classes. So it's your duty to sit at home and see the video from the beginning to the end, or else it won't help you out. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Good day.